Hello everyone. Today we're exploring the best adventure bikes for young riders, thrill seekers in India. From rugged terrains to smooth highways, these bikes are perfect for those who want performance, style, and a dash of adventure. Let's dive into the features, mileage, and benefits of each model so you can pick the best fit for your journey. With that, let's dive into the list. On the top, we have the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, which is for those who crave adventure in its ravest form. With its 450cc engine, this bike is built to conquer rough terrains and is perfect for off-road adventures. The Himalayan combines classic style with modern performance, making it an ideal choice for road trips and weekend escape. It's tough, reliable, and ready for anything. Young adventurers will love its power and durability. Royal Enfield also offers a lot of accessories. You can see one of the pictures at the bottom of it, which comes with a lot of options for you to fit in on your bike. If the curb weight is not a concern, you can always go for keep on adding your accessories as you wish. So with that, I've left some of the key details for you to refer before you choose this bike. Pause the video, keep a watch on other key factors like the seat height and the mileage or the average maintenance cost for the year, and what's your price range. So if it fits your budget, go ahead with that. This is mostly a rough on-road price, so depending on your city where you are, the prices might vary on that. So that next up is the Hero XPulse 204V, a bike that's easy on the pocket and versatile in its abilities. Whether you're commuting in the city or exploring off-road trails, this bike does it all. With a lightweight design and a reliable 199.6cc engine. It's a great option for those who want performance without breaking the bank. Perfect for young riders who need a bike that's both practical and adventurous. So you can pause the video, look at the key factors. So if you're looking for a price range anything below 2 lakhs, this is your bike for you, which offers accessories too, and it also pocket friendly with your annual maintenance not crossing 5,000 a year. Introducing the Honda CB200X, a stylish and sporty choice for young urban riders. This bike is ideal for daily commutes and weekend getaways. It has a cc of 184.4 engine capacity, which offers fuel efficiency around 45 kmpl if you're a decent rider, and with Honda's trusted performance. It's sleek, comfortable, and has a design that stands out on city streets. If you want a bike that's dependable and stylish, the CB200X is a top choice. And this price range is also below 2 lakhs. If you're looking anything below it, this is one of your options to look at. Moving on to the next is our BMW 310 GS. So the ultimate premium adventure bike. So the brand itself speaks the quality, though it is being fit and assembled in India. I think it still comes with the brand. So this bike offers a luxury experience with a 313cc engine and top-notch features. It's designed for riders who want quality and performance on all kinds of terrains. The GS310 GS is perfect for those who don't mind investing a bit more to get a high-end riding experience. If you are ready to explore best of both worlds, style and adventure, this is the bike for you. Some of the key features I left the sales figures as well for the for 2024, and the seat height details, your mileage for the bike, the average maintenance, which is a little higher, but when you're going for a brand like BMW, you know it. Cool. With that, move on to our next competitor. Finally, we have the Yezdi Adventure, a bike that brings together vintage charm and modern features. It's a 334cc engine, gives you the power you need for both city rides and rugged trails. Young riders who appreciate a blend of nostalgia and performance will find this bike perfect. It's a nod to classic bikes, but the capability and the reliability for today's roads. If you want to stand out with a vintage vibe, the SD Adventure is a fantastic pick. Left you the key details again. So the annual maintenance will cost you around close to 6k on annually. This is a little over the about 2 lakhs mark, but you can get a very rugged looking vehicle at a 2.5 lakh. So the price might vary between ups and downs of 10k depending on your city, but this also has a sales figure of 0.6 lakh units sold in 2024 alone. With that, come to the end of it. So which adventure bike is right for you? Each bike has something unique to offer, from the rugged Himalayan to the stylish CB200X. Think about what fits your style, budget, and where you plan to ride. Are you looking for a classic vibe, a sporty look, or a premium experience? With these choices, you are all set to conquer the road, trails, and everything in between. Let's gear up for an unforgettable journey on two wheels. So, thank you for staying with me, and choose your adventure partner wisely. This is gonna stay with you for a very long time. So, take test rides a couple of times. Go for a long test ride, not a very short one. You can talk to the showroom managers to provide you a long distance checks before you choose a bike. Cool. With that, I'll see you later. Happy Deepavali for all.